Hello everyone, so in this video let us talk about an easy problem from LeetCode. The problem name is find the sum of encrypted integers. As you can see, you are given an integer array nums, as you can see, containing positive integers. We define a function encrypt such that encrypt of x replaces every digit in x with the largest digit in x. So as you can see here that there is a function encrypt that will replace every digit in this value with the largest digit present in that particular number. Now as you can see here that 523, when you pass through this function encrypt function, as you can see, it will encrypt it with the maximum among all these digits. So the maximum among all the digits it's 5. So it will replace all the digits with 5. So as you can see 555. So every digit will be replaced with 5. Similarly here, as you can see here, that you will take the number while passing through the encrypt function, it will find out the maximum among all these digits, which is 3. So all the digits will be replaced with 3. You have to return the sum of the encrypted elements. So it's pretty much simple. You have to first iterate over all the numbers, find out the encrypted value and just add the sum of all of them. How you'll find the encrypted value? You will first iterate over all these digits, find out the maximum among all these digits, and after finding out the maximum you will find out the new encrypted value, which is how many digits are there. Just add that maximum digit that number of times. Okay, so let's say this is 10, so it will be like the maximum is 1, so 1 1. Maximum here is 2, so 2 2. Maximum is 3, so 3 3, and you will add all of them, so the answer will be 66. That's a complete thing over this particular problem, nothing much complicated here itself. Let's go on to the code part now. So what we have done here is that we have to find out the sum of all the elements. So we have created the sum, as you can see here, iterate over all the values and find out the sum of all the values. So what we'll do is that we'll pass out every value through this encrypt function that we have written, that will return the encrypted value, add the encrypted value, and then return the sum. Now what will this encrypt function do? Let's talk about that. Here is the encrypt function. It will first find the maximum digit in that particular number. So what we'll do is iterate over all the digits in that particular value. So because I have to first find out the value, the maximum digit, and then for every digit, like replace it with the maximum digit. So we'll make a copy of that original number that we have passed. So we'll first make a copy of the original number and find out using that copy the maximum digit. So what we'll do is that find out every digit of that number and maximize it using the max function over all the digits possible, and then find out the maximum digit. Now again iterate over the actual number, so that I have one copy and the actual number. So we'll again iterate over the actual number, and then for every digit we will add in the total sum the maximum digit. So let's say the digits are 2 3 and 5, which means that it is a 3-digit number. Instead, you can find out if it's a 3-digit number, or else we will iterate over this number again. But instead of now creating this number again, we will add the maximum number. So let's say maximum is 5, so we'll first add 5. The next time again we'll add 5. The next time again we'll add 5, because we're only adding the maximum digit. The maximum digit is 5 that we have found out using here. Okay, but we are decreasing in the original number. This is the original number. We're decreasing in the original number. This is just used to find out the number of digits that we have. But the new number that I'm forming, the sum that I'm forming, is using only the maximum digit that we have find out in the actual number, and in the end return the total new sum. That's the complete logic and the code part for this particular problem. Nothing much complicated here itself. If you still have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Till keep coding, and bye.